Hello, sweetie. Welcome back to Mickey Reyes Kitchen. Today I am making coconut milk. You can make this at home for your kids or for yourself, and you will enjoy it. So please follow this step by step. Let's go. I am using my knife to crack it. With this type of coconut, the dry one, you're not going to get a lot of water in it, so just break it. This is not too hard, so if you're a woman or a man can do it easily. A woman, you can do it too. You see, I'm doing it, so you can do it too. Just be careful that you don't hurt yourself. After breaking it, I will remove the food from the shells. Just watch how I am doing it and just do it. Go for it at the steps and you are good to go. If today is your first time on this channel, you are warmly welcome to Mickey Reyes family. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed yet, and if today is not your first time and you have been watching my videos and you have not subscribed, please subscribe, click on notification bell, and please give me a thumbs up. I'm done with it and I have washed it, so this is the time to cut it. I'll be cutting it little by little because I want my blender to blend it smoothly, so you need to cut it. I want to say thank you to all my return viewers and all my subscribers. Thank you so much, guys. We started, it's about 1 year and some month now, and by God's grace, I have 320 subscribers, and I owe it all to you guys. Thank you so much for being part of Mickey Reyes Kitchen, and I am asking you guys to please continue to support, and please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe so that I can get 1K subscribers. Please continue to subscribe and share it with your loved ones if you like my videos, and please give a thumbs up anytime you watch my videos. As you can see, I am done cutting all of it, and I'm trying to bring the bigger ones, cut it into smaller shapes because it will help the blender blend it more smoother.
Hit subscribe, let's cook it up right. Make your royal kitchen taste the love.
This time I'll transfer all of it into my blender. Then I'll add water to it. It depends if you want it creamy or you just don't want that creaminess. But I use 2 cups of water. I added 2 cups of water to this so that it can blend well. If you want creamy, you can use just 1.5 or 1 cup of water. It depends on how you want it. Let's go and blend it. I was not showing the process of blending, but just look at it. It is all blended. And I have my strainer. I have this silver strainer and I have this rubber strainer. I wanted it to be fast, so I use this. If you don't have this, you can use cheesecloth and you're good to go. So with this, I have to pick up my spoon and press it. I have to pick up my spoon and press. I'll keep on pressing it so that all the milk will come out. And as you see, I added a little bit of water to the blender so that I can bring out the rest of the juicy in it, because I did not want to leave anything out. So use your spoon to press it so that press it till you, when you press it, you don't see any milk comes out.
Cooking with passion, just for you. Sizzling, bubbling, flavor so bold. Grandma's secrets and stories untold. Bringing the heat, yeah, watch me flow. From home cooked meals to a 5-star show.
I will strain it again one more time.
From my heart to your plate, let's make it divine. Hit that like,
I
hit
strain it
subscribe, let's
one
cook it
more
up right.
time.
Make your royal kitchen taste the love. Every bite's a blessing from the heavens above.
When you are pouring it in, you can see there is some dirt inside it. It's because of the shells. So just throw that one and don't pour it all in. I will strain it one more time. This is the last time. So I strain it 3 times. 3 times to bring out the final. With this, you're not going to get any shells or anything you don't like inside. This is well strained. The straining method is done. So this is the time for me to package everything. It's packaging time. Guys, if you are watching this video and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe and please give me a thumbs up. My coconut milk is ready, but if you are someone who loves more sweet, you can add sugar syrup or condensed milk to it for more sweetness. But this was okay for me. It was very delicious. It was really delicious. So you have to try this at home for your kids or for yourself. If you store it in your fridge and later you realize the cream has separated from the water, just shake it. There is nothing wrong with it. Okay, shake it and take it. Thank you for tuning in today. See you in the next video. I love you guys. Bye bye.